Why did you hurt them?
Insane.
They're crying. You're ugly. You running. Get out of here. You're ugly.
Everyone you love
It's all your fault.
knows they love them.
What are you waiting for? Failure. Escape from this way. It's all your fault. Get out of here. You're annoying. Once you get you're trying to get away from them. Come close. You're after you.
Classe